So we are going to talk quickly about some casting-based additional techniques. First one called the pressure casting, which is something like this. You are applying load, pressure, through a cylinder or piston. Okay, here is your slurry, and you have a filter. You are pressing the liquid out, and then you get a remaining kind of semi-dried ceramic body, green body. Applying pressure in casting process. Advantage, it may be faster for certain cases for solvent removal. Gel casting, gel. People are adding organic monomer, which is the precursor to polymer. Yeah, adding those low viscosity organic monomer to cast the slurry, which goes through the polymerization or so-called gelation process and prevents the particle from coming to the bottom, which we call settling, or segregation, and strengthen the body to withstand the capillary stress during drying. Gel casting. Advantage, in principle, you can get some thicker green body with low polymer content for easy burnout. Okay. And another one people call electrophoretic deposition, using forming green body from slurry colloidal suspension via so-called electrophoresis process. Essentially something like this. You have a power supply and then two electrodes, one positive, one negative, and then let's assume your particles have positively charged, and when you apply this electrical field, of course, the positive charge will move towards the negative electrode. Okay, and well, people sometimes say better controllability, but anyway, these different techniques you may come across here and there, especially in literature. But again, despite all their so-called advantage, they all have what? Significant disadvantage. They are all more complex and higher cost. That's why none of these are widely adopted in industry. In industry, pretty much you have slip casting, you have tape casting, sometimes injection molding, and people don't use any of these very often. For academic research, people still do, but in reality, not much. Okay, because it's more complex and higher cost, and quite often do not really offer too much benefit. Okay.